Nuai. Come on, Nuai. Come on, baby. This is Nuai. This is Zazu. Zazu! You want cracker or you want bread? Zazu, where are you going? Just come on, kiss. Zazu, what you doing?
Don't bite me.
Come on, baby. I don't want food. I want... You want cracker? No? He wants kiss.
Another one? Another one? You're cute, Zazu.
Tell him go. You
Zazu,
remember how
go.
to tell him go? Shake your hand.
Zazu, go!
You're gonna come back.
Yep.
Give him food. There you go. Give some nice some food. I told you. That's my ear.
He's going there.
Yeah, he's not going. Look at these two. Look at these two. Look at these two. They are buddy buddy. Yes, you took it, huh? Everybody's taking it. You took it? Look at what you did to him. You see what you did to him?
Lola doesn't want anything?
Yeah, he wants cracker. Come on. They gotta share. You see, they gotta share. Uh-oh.
What's that one's name on the floor?
Rocky.
Rocky. Rocky, Nuai, Lola, Zazu, and these two.
Piper and Chiwi.
Kiwi? Kiwi's beak is long.
Chiwi used to look like Zazu. Now he got a boyfriend, this one. You see how buddy buddy they are?